Hello everyone and welcome back to NR Bookkeeping. Keeping track of your finances is very essential for running a successful business. And today I'm going to share with you a simple monthly bookkeeping checklist that will help you stay organized and on top of the things. This checklist breaks down the essential tasks you should complete every month. So first on the list is recording every transaction and categorizing them. Make sure to log every sales, purchase, expense, payments accurately. And after recording every transaction, you have to make sure that you categorize them to their appropriate accounting head. This will help you keep your cash flow organized and track the financial health of your business. Whether you are using accounting software or a basic simple spreadsheet, the key is consistency. So if you find this task time consuming, consider using tools and resources that can help you streamline the process. Next, you will want to reconcile your accounts. This involves comparing your bank statement with your financial records to ensure that everything matches up. Regular reconciliation helps you catch discrepancies early, so you can address them before they become a bigger issue. It's a crucial step in maintaining the accuracy of your financial records. Next step is updating your financial statement. You will want to update or prepare three key financial statements. The first one is the profit or loss statement. It will give you information about revenue, expense, and profit of your businesses for a specific period of time. Then balance sheet. It will give you a snapshot of your business's asset, liability, and equity at a point in time. And lastly, the cash flow statement. It will tell you where your business's money is coming from and where it is going. So keeping this financial statement updated will help you stay informed about your business's financial health. Lastly, don't forget to file and organize your documents. Make sure that all of your bills, invoice, receipts, and statements are safely secured and labeled correctly. Okay, to recap, here is your monthly bookkeeping checklist. First is recording and categorizing every transaction. Second is reconciling your financial records with bank statement. Third is preparing financial statements. And lastly, filed and organized documents. I know this checklist can seem like a lot to manage, especially if you're running a busy business. But taking the time to complete all these tasks every month will pay off in the long run. If you have any question, need support, or you are looking for a professional bookkeeping services, feel free to drop a comment or reach out directly. We are here to help you navigate your financial journey. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next video.